Hello, good morning, Shillong. ये बहुत शानदार जगह है. Very nice place. This is Neighrims Hospital है. It's a food court. Yeah, three rice and two fish. This will be it. And the Shillong chutney is the best chutney. Very hot and spicy, very nice. And what is this? Dal, beef, and this one chicken, pork. Wow. What? Beef. What is this? Fry.
Yes.
Oh, you don't have aloo fry one. This is intestine, right? Pork,
This one's chicken.
chicken liver. Wow, this one. See, I want this aloo fry.
Okay.
Yeah, aloo fry. All right, thank you. Kitna ho gaya? This is 2:30. See, this is the morning pack. What is your name, sister? Huh? N. Okay, Annie. So anyone can come and have here. You'll have the varieties of foods right here. Beef. Oh, like a keema, like grinding one.
Yeah.
Oh, this is a steam or what is it?
No, this one is fried one.
Fried one, huh? And this one?
This one is the
Oh, okay. All right, all right, all right. Okay. So this is a Shillong Neighrims here. Food counter. As you can see, the best food you can have here. And I stay here in the Bloom Lodge. This is the Bloom Lodge.